It's been an interesting few days for Xcite Energy, and it seemed to be appropriate to have an update here. The main concern here is that the last few days we've seen a little bear flag formation between the 100 and 105 pence level, with a resistance at 105 coming in well below the 107, 108 support of the beginning of April. Overall, we've got a sell. We're in sort of a sell mode. We had a gap to the upside which was filled. The market closed below the gap at £1.12. We've also closed below the initial £1.10 January resistance, which shouldn't have happened either, and we're below the 50-day moving averages and moving average and 200-day moving averages as well. To finish off the breakdown scenario, we've also broken the 50 zone RSI as well. That's a leading indicator that came in around £1.10, and it has broken the stock down to a limited extent. But what's holding the stock up at the moment, and what could save the day still, is the still rising 200-day moving average shown here in black, and a support line, a red support line as I've drawn it, from the beginning of last year, which represents the bottom of the 2012 triangle formation. As you may know, obviously with triangles, they can break both ways. This could be the bottom of the triangle, it goes up there and up to 120 plus, and it's happy days. But equally, a break of £1 on a weekly close, and we could see quite a severe push to the downside. The problem is that if we do break £1, and presumably could still take a few days to do that, there is not, with the triangle formation in place, you've got a risk of a target towards the bottom of last year's descending price channel at 50 pence, something which would obviously be rather painful for anybody hoping that this stock is a recovery situation, or indeed an oil and gas 10-bagger. So at the moment, this looks like a situation under pressure. We really don't want to see any sustained price action below £1, and ideally, really we want to get back, at least back above the 50-day moving average at 109 before regarding the shares as a genuine recovery situation.